Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Galileo Financial Technologies. Review my usage experience. Galileo Financial Technologies Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive suite of financial technology solutions for businesses, primarily focusing on payment processing and embedded finance. Their services help businesses integrate financial features into their applications and streamline their payment operations. Key features include APIs for seamless integration, various payment processing options, and fraud prevention tools. Their website provides details on specific offerings and pricing structures. Galileo positions itself as a flexible and scalable solution for businesses of all sizes. They highlight ease of integration with their APIs and claim transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Their technology leverages modern cloud infrastructure for reliability and scalability. Availability is generally global, though specific regional details should be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Galileo Financial Technologies. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well documented, and their API documentation was comprehensive and easy to follow. I was able to integrate their payment gateway into my existing application within a couple of hours. Navigating their developer dashboard was intuitive. The interface is clean and well organized, making it easy to monitor transactions, manage settings, and access reports. The performance has been consistently reliable. I've experienced no significant downtime or glitches. I had a quick question about implementing a specific feature, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, offering a clear and helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the real-time transaction monitoring. One minor drawback was the lack of readily available phone support. Email was the primary contact method. It took me a little while to fully grasp the nuances of some of the more advanced fraud prevention settings, but after some experimentation, I found them very effective. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Galileo. It's a powerful and versatile platform that has significantly improved the financial aspects of my business. That's my overview of Galileo Financial Technologies. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.